put the noodle on my face.
Dad make good noodles or what?
It's good noodles.
Dad makes pretty good noodles?
I found money.
Oh yeah, you did. Okay, sit down. Keep eating. Keep your stuff right here though. Pretty good?
Yeah.
Dad make the best noodles in the whole world?
Yeah.
Better than Mom?
Yeah.
What are you drinking, milk? You got milk there?
Yeah.
Where does milk come from?
Cows.
Yeah, right. You know that? Oh my gosh, you're so smart.
I just it.
What? What is that?
It's a rifle.
No, I don't think that's a wiper. I think Mom had something written on there. You need to say, excuse me. You're silly. You say, excuse me.
Yeah. Do me.
Oh, man.
I'm putting my plate on here.
Oh, you are? Is that like a placemat?
Yeah.
Wow. It's impressive. Oh, man, you're a funny
This
kid.
is so.
What? Milk?
Back from the towels. It's the moo.
You're funny, buddy.
That's it. Moo.
That's what a cow says?
Yeah.
What does Kuma say?
Like that.
No, Kuma. Not a bird. Kuma. What does Kuma do?
And no.
She just stands behind you all the time, doesn't
Okay. No, move now.
she? Careful.
I can't spit at you.
No, you don't spit at people. No.
Look at my fingers.
Careful. Careful, bud.
Off me.
Why are you going so crazy tonight? Oh, man. What are we going to watch on TV tonight?
Dogs.
What?
Oh.
Star Wars? The cartoon? Are you excited? Yeah? Who do you like the best on there?
That door and the later.
Oh. And who else? Who's the little green guy? What? Chew your food. What?
That ginger fights.
Yeah.
That's later.
Yeah, what's the little green guy's name? He's under Band-Aids?
Yeah.
Well, not those ones.
And that anymore. Couple in that bathroom. Couple.
Couple in the bathroom? I don't think we have any more. I think you used them all. Yeah, I think you did. Yeah. Oh, no, stay here. Finish your food first.
Okay.
You're a good eater. What should you chew though?
On geek.
Do you want more? Or no? No, you finished them though. That's good. Are you gonna want more noodles or is that it? Just gonna finish those? Do you want any more noodles or no?
No.
Okay. You finish what's on your plate. Okay. Just keep it on your plate. Okay. Okay, you can be excused now.
Here.
Okay. Good job, buddy. Wipe
Yeah.
wipe your hands.
More.
You want more noodles?
Yeah.
You're still hungry? You're all done?
Yeah.
Okay, wipe your hands on your
I
wiper.
just did good.
You stinkered again?
Yeah.
What do you say?